The airdrop I'm going to talk about in this video is the most anticipated airdrop of 2025, and they raised over $200 million, which is actually one of the biggest amounts raised in crypto. Now, the name of this airdrop is called Monad. Now, what is Monad? Monad is a layer 1 blockchain just like Solana, Ethereum, and many other blockchains. But the thing is, they are claiming to offer over 10,000 transactions per second, which is going to make it one of the fastest blockchains in the world right now. So let's focus on how you can get their airdrop for free since their token is yet to be launched. And before we get started with this video, make sure to like this video now and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started with the video. Alright, so to get started with this airdrop, you can do it on either your phone or your PC, just like I'm using right here. If you are going to use your phone to do this, I would encourage you to use either Kuru browser or Mrs. browser. For those using Android device, use Kuru browser. But if you're using an iPhone, then use Mrs. browser. So simply go to either Play Store or App Store and install either Kuru browser or Mrs. browser. Now, once you do that, the next thing you're going to do is to open up your Mrs. browser or Kuru browser. Now, once you install either Mrs. browser or Kuru browser, the next thing you're going to do is to search for MetaMask Chrome extension for those that have not done it. So just search for MetaMask. Now, if you've done this before, now you don't have to do it again. But if you've not, then just follow me. Then the next, you're going to click on MetaMask right here and click on Add to Desktop. Click on, so you need to sign in your account with your Gmail, just in case you've not done that. I've not done that on this device. So once you sign in, you should be able to install this as a Chrome extension. Now, if it's giving you an issue, then click on these three dots here and try to make sure your phone is set on request desktop site. So it's going to be on this desktop site. Once it's on this desktop site, it's going to go through right away. So that is how to install Chrome extension on your phone. And for those using their laptop, I guess you know how to do it already, but just search for MetaMask Chrome extension and click on this one right here, and then click on Add to Chrome. You can see I already have mine, that's why it's already added to Chrome. So once you do that, then you go ahead to create your MetaMask wallet and keep your seed phrase very secured. Once you're done with that, then follow through with the next thing I'm going to do in this video. Now, the next thing to do is to go to this website called testnet.monad.xyz. I'm going to leave the link to this in the description. Now, once you come to the website, let's manually add Monad to our MetaMask. I'm going to click on manually add network, click on add testnet to MetaMask, and click on approve. Okay, so I have added it. I can go back to my MetaMask wallet, and right here you can see it has changed to Monad testnet. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and since I've done that, I'll click on continue. And right here, the next thing I'm going to do is to copy my MetaMask wallet address, and I'll paste it over here to request for faucet token, testnet token actually. So you can see it tells me already claimed, please try again. Although when I go to my wallet right here, you can see I don't have any Monad token. Now, a few reasons why you might not receive this Monad testnet token is if you don't have ETH, you must have at least, I think, like somewhere around $21 worth of Ethereum in your ETH mainnet for you to claim this. But if you don't have it, you can, if you're on their Discord and you have all the rows, you can go there and then paste your wallet address, and they're going to give you the faucet token. Now, one more way you can actually use to get this faucet token is by doing this. So we go to this website, gas.zip. So over here, you're going to use your money to actually buy this testnet token. Or if you can meet up with other requirements, then go ahead and get it. But I'm going to also, but if you're unable to get anyone at all, watch through with this. I'm going to tell you what you're going to do right now. Alright, so first I'm going to connect my wallet address, click on MetaMask and click on connect. Alright, so next I'm going to select Monad here, and over here I'm going to click on select switch network, select base, because I think I have some tokens right there. So I have around $7 over here on base network. So if you have ETH in base network, you can use it to buy this. So let me just use around $6 to buy this. I'm going to receive 17 Monad. Alright, so I'm going to click on send, click on confirm, and you can see success. So it is actually going through right here. Okay, so while this is going through, I can go back to my MetaMask. You can see right here I've received 17 Monad token. So now I can get started with this airdrop. Now, what I'm going to do right here is, if you haven't gotten any Monad testnet token, I would be distributing all of these 17 tokens to you also. The first group of persons to drop their wallet address in the description, just drop your MetaMask wallet address. I would send, I think, 0.5 Monad to each person. So you can use that to try this airdrop. But if you can afford to buy this, just go ahead. It's actually cheap, $6 to get, or even $2. You can buy as low as $2, and you're going to get around 5 monad token to do this airdrop. So I think that is actually very fine. All right, so the next step is to scroll down. I'll come to this section here, which says make your first trade, powered by Uniswap. So Uniswap is already connected, so I'm going to connect my wallet here. Select MetaMask and click on connect. All right, so what I'm going to do is to buy this token right here. I'm going to buy with small amount, 0.01. Now you can buy based on the amount of testnet token you have, but if you don't have much, just do with the 0.01 or 0.012, because they are not sell off tokens for you right there, except you can buy as many as possible. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm. So I'm going to buy this one right here with 0.02. Click on buy, and then this I'm going to buy with 0.015, just any random amount actually, but don't buy with so much. So with this, you can see I've completed 3 transactions. All of them were successful. All right, so let me scroll down and let's continue with next. So over here you have all the application built on Monad. You can actually use some of these applications, although you know it's not very easy to use all of them, but I'm going to show you how to use some of them to get eligible for this airdrop. All right, so next I'm going to come to this website, app.nad.domains. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Okay, I'm going to click on connect for net and select MetaMask. Click on connect. All right, so over here I can just put in my name, Uche Crypt. All right, so it shows available. I'm going to click on it, and I'll click on register. So you're paying 0.02 monad. Click on confirm. So I've purchased this domain name right here. So the next step is to go to stake.apr.io. Now I'm going to leave this link in the description. Okay, so next I'm going to click on this check mark, click on agree to terms. So let's connect our wallet right here and select MetaMask. Click on connect. Right, so over here I'm just going to stake a little amount of token, so I'll do 0.02. Click on stake, click on confirm. All right, so that is completed. So next I'm going to go to this website called swap.bean.exchange. I'm going to connect my wallet. I like how fast this is actually going. It's not giving us issues just like other testnet. All right, so once my wallet is connected, next I'm going to swap 0.02 for USDC. You can swap for any other token, but let me just do this one right here. Click on swap, click on confirm swap, click on accept, confirm swap, and I'll approve this right here, and that's successful. So you can see it's showing pending, so it's actually, so it has finally gone through. Next is to go to this website, bebop.xyz. I'm going to click on connect wallet, select MetaMask, click on connect. All right, so I'm just going to select any token right here. I'm going to do USDC again, and you can see this can go through. So I'll click on wrap more to trade, click on confirm. Okay, that's done. The next is to go to kuru.io/trade and click on create wallet, select orders and select MetaMask. Click on connect, click on confirm. All right, so that's done. So I'm going to close this. So next I'm going to deposit I'll just do 0.1 monad here. Click on deposit, click on confirm. All right, so since I've deposited, that has been successful. I can now choose to trade right here. Okay, so I'm going to go to the home section here, and I'm going to click on Mon right here, Mon USDC. And what I'm going to do is I'll click on sell, and over here I'm just going to do 25%. Click on sell. Okay, that has been done. You can also do a buy since you have, so I'll just do 25% again, and then I'll click on buy. So that has been successful. All right, so next is to go to LFG and then connect my wallet. I'll click on I've read and accepted, click on MetaMask and click on connect. All right, so I'm just going to select any token here. Let me select this first one, and I'll just buy with 0.01. Click on buy, click on confirm. So that has gone through. So next is to deploy a contract on Monad. So I'm going to start with by connecting my wallet. I'll select MetaMask, click on connect. All right, so I'm just going to click on deploy, click on confirm. All right, so I've deployed this contract here. All right, so the next thing is to let's mint something on Magic Eden. So I'm going to go to the Magic Eden website. I'll also leave the link in the description. I'm going to click on login, and I'm going to select view all wallets, select MetaMask. Just in case it's not showing, just click on all chains and you see MetaMask. Click on connect, click on confirm. So over here, we'll just look for one of these NFTs to mint. So if you come, you might not see this one. You can see this one, you can see this one. Anyone you see, just mint right away. All right, so let me mint this one right now. Click on mint now. And click on mint. Click on confirm. All right, so I've minted this successfully. So next is to go to this website, testnet. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Click on connect wallet, select MetaMask, connect. So I'll just click on mint, click on confirm. All right, so I've minted this right now. All right, so next is to go to testnet.nad.fun and you click on connect right here, select MetaMask and click on connect. All right, so you can just click on start trading. All right, so this looks like pump.fun. So let me go ahead and trade in token right now. I think I'll just buy this. I'll put in the amount, so let's say 0.01. Click on place order. Minimum is 1 monad. That's crazy, so I'll just do 1 instead. Click on place order, click on confirm. So if you don't have up to that, you can leave this particular one I'm doing right there. So I can even go back and let me sell it. Click on max, click on place order. So I'll click on confirm. So that has been successful. I need to confirm again. So I've sold this token right here. All right, so next you can do some trades on PancakeSwap. Now I'm using a lot of platforms on this video. It doesn't necessarily mean you should use all of them. Just do the ones you can actually do. You don't have to use everything. So once it opens up, you connect your wallet, select MetaMask, click on connect. All right, so just do 0.01. Click on swap, click on confirm swap, click on confirm. All right, that's done. Next, I'll go to monad.ambient.finance and I'll click on trade now. Click on connect wallet, click on agree, select MetaMask and connect wallet. All right, so I'm just going to swap another 0.02. Click on swap, click on confirm. That's done. All right, so next I'll go to monray.xyz and I'll connect my wallet, select MetaMask and click on connect. All right, so let's just swap 0.01 and I can choose any other token of my choice. Let's do this one. Okay, so I'll just click on swap, click on confirm. That's going through. So it's actually filled. So let me do USDC and I'll just click on swap and click on confirm. So it seems to be filling. You can still try it. All right, so once you're done with that, you can come back here and decide to try it. I've tried out a couple of platforms right here which just do simple links. So you can just come over here and look for anyone we've not actually interacted with, and then you can try it out by yourself. It's that easy, but let me just show you. Let's just do one. I'm going to try crystals. So over here, the website is opening up right here. If it's taking time to open up, you can come back and try another one. Let's try Izumi. So the moment it opens up, it switch this to Monad testnet before connecting your wallet. So connect wallet, select MetaMask, and disconnected. So you just do some swap. That's 0.03. And I'll just click on swap, click on continue, click on swap, and click on confirm. It's that easy. So that's how you can actually try out some of these applications right here. So but I've talked about a lot of them already, and you can use the ones I've talked about. Now, one important thing you should also do is on their website, you can look for their Discord server. Look at it right here, community Discord, or yeah, this of them. Click on it, then click on accept invite. It's important to join their Discord and follow them on Twitter to find out latest information about them. All right, so just select this right here and click on I have read, click on submit, and click on verify. Click on verify here. So we need to write this down. So this is 64556. Okay, so we can see I've been verified. You can try out some of their chats right here and try to get yourself some rules by interacting on their Discord. So this is all of it about the Monad testnet airdrop, and if there's any further information, I'm going to share that on either my Twitter account or my Telegram page. So make sure to consider following me on those two platforms. And guys, we've come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.